Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing any brands here on my channel. I also love doing giveaways and paying it forward and saying thank you to you guys. Thank you guys for 7,000 subscribers. We have not yet hit that milestone, but I generally put my announcement videos up a little bit early. I'm going to quickly run down everything you're going to win if you are chosen as the winner. All the rules and everything are going to be down below, but pretty much it's going to be you must be subscribed publicly. I have to be able to check and see if you are subscribed to my channel. You're going to like this video. You're going to leave a specific comment. Again, rules are in the description box. You're going to leave a comment and share this video out. And you must be in the USA and be 18 or have parental consent, please. Very quickly, I run through everything, and yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for 7,000 subscribers. Again, we're very, very close. I was hoping to reach 10K by the end of the year, but I am grateful for 7,000. I am grateful for you guys. And just very quickly, before I dive into all of the goodies, I want to take a moment to sincerely and genuinely thank you guys for being here. Thank you for 7.5 years of YouTube and making videos and creating content and learning and building and growing together. We have built such a beautiful, kind-hearted, uplifting community here, and I could not be more grateful. I know that so often in the social media space, people kind of view things and have this perception that, you know, life is peaches and cream and everything glitters and gold and all the things, and it's not. And you guys know that and you understand that if you've been here with me for a very long time on this journey. I have a lot going on and life is not kind to me very often. And this is a space for me, and it's the space I want to be for you guys as well. So when I speak in terms of having a safe space for myself, but having a safe space for you guys, like this is more to me and for a lot of us than just, oh, I like to play in makeup. It is a safe haven for me. This is my space that I can come into and just sit down and zone out and forget about everything else. And it brings me such immense joy that I cannot put that into words. Being able to come in here, being able to film with you guys, to feel like I have a connection to the outside world is invaluable to me. So just thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for everybody that loves and supports and shares and likes and comments and all the things. You guys mean so much to me. So just thank you. And this is just a little thank you to you guys for that love and support. All right. Very quickly, we have the Mercy Handy, the facial cleansing gel. We have the Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in Brunette. If you know, you know. I've gone through probably 100 of these by this point in time. We have an ABH brow brush. We have a Billion Dollar Brow Lift. We have a Makeup Revolution or Revolution Beauty, the Fierce Volume Mascara. And if you're newer to my milestone giveaways, I do a ton of secret giveaways, as y'all know, but if you're unfamiliar with one of my milestone giveaways, I try to build whomever wins a full face, aside from just, you gotta have your foundation. Other than that, I try my best to build a full face and make a really nice, well-rounded gift. Next up is the Huda Beauty Faux Filler Jelly Oil. I'm not even gonna try to see what shade that is. We have the Avene Eau Thermal, the Thermal Spring Water. So incorporating a little bit of skincare in here as well. We have the Philosophy Amazing Grace Hydrating Shower Gel. We have a beautiful little compact mirror. I have some goodies from Huda Beauty. We have some puffs and then the smaller puffs here. I have the Sephora Glow Super Brightening Serum. I have the Garnier, the Sleek and Shine Frizz Tamer. We have the Kosas Blush is Life Baked Dimensional Blush in the shade Hype. We have the Tres Luce Beauty, the Mi Tesoro Eyelash Case. I generally add eyelashes, but I don't generally buy them, but normally I would have opted to give you guys also a set of lashes. Next up is the Beauty Creations Kiss and Tell Lip Duo. Next up is a little sampler of the Debronzy from Drunk Elephant. There is a Tony Moly Squishmallows Brightening Lotus and Niacinamide Sheet Mask. We have a Moisturizing and Brightening Rice Sheet Mask. We have an IPSY Glam Bag. And last but not least, we have the Too Faced Born This Way The Natural Nudes Eyeshadow Palette. So the winner is going to win every single thing that I just mentioned. Again, all rules and everything are down below, but it's super easy. If you're subscribed publicly, like, share, comment, do all the things, and of course be in the US. I am terribly sorry, you guys, that I cannot afford to ship internationally. It is incredibly expensive. Just shipping within the USA is incredibly expensive. I do hope that one day I can pay it forward on a grand scale and be able to afford to ship internationally. So I am really, really sorry to my international babes. I love you guys and I appreciate the support and stuff like that. I just cannot afford to ship overseas. That's all. So thank you guys again. I appreciate you guys so, so much. Also, the giveaway will end 1 week after I hit 7,000 subscribers. And I kind of do that because sometimes you'll hit the milestone and then you gain or lose a few subscribers within the week. So 1 week after I hit 7,000 subscribers, I will be announcing the winner 1 week from that day at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you all so much. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Good luck.